guys, welcome to my channel. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. The quiz contains two basic operations, multiplication and division. We have to solve this quiz using PAMDAS and word mark method and find out the correct answer. In the answer list we have four answers. A is 1, B is 2, C is 4 and D is 8. So let's see after solving it which answer is correct. Before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. Now let's talk about what are the rules which we can follow to solve the given expression. Here we will discuss two rules, BODMAS and PAMDAS rule. These rules we will apply to solve any arithmetic expression. And the rule says if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After the bracket, you have to see the power of any number. If your expression contains any number which has the power or square root or cube root or any root, so you have to solve that part after the bracket. Step number 3, you have to solve the division and multiplication. So what you have to do? You have to go left to right in your expression and find out division and multiplication. Both has similar precedence, so you can solve any of them which is coming first. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have same rule. We can solve addition first if it is coming first. And we can solve subtraction first if it is coming first. Now move forward to solve the given expression. Here we will discuss two rules. Like first we have to solve the BODMAS or PAMDAS. We will use these rules to solve the given expression. So according to the rule, we have to solve the bracket or parenthesis. But in our expression, we do not have any number which has the bracket. So we can skip this step. Now move forward for step number 2, order of operation and exponent form. So we do not have any number which has the power. So we can skip this step as well. Now step number 3, division and multiplication or multiplication and division. So now this is the main part which we have to follow the rule and solve the given expression. So we get the correct answer. Now some of you will say like we are using the BODMAS, so we will solve division first, and some will say like I'm using the PAMDAS, so I will solve first multiplication. So the rule is same for both. You have to go left to right in this expression and find out which is coming first. So here we have 12 divided by 3. So first of all, we have to solve this one. 12 divided by 3, which is equal to 4. Multiply by 2 and divided by 4. Multiply by 2 divided by 8 and multiply by 2. We will write here as it is. And here we have to give the reference 12 divided by 3 equals to 4. Now move forward again left to right and find out which is coming first. So now this time we have the multiplication. We have to solve this one first. 4 to the 8. Divided by 4. Multiply by 2. Divided by 8. And multiply by 2. We will write here as it is. 4 multiplied by 2 equals to 8. Now again we have to go left to right and find out which is coming first. So now this time we have 8 divided by 4. We have to write like 2 multiplied by 2 and divided by 8 and multiply by 2. We will write here as it is. And here we have to give the reference. Like we have to write 8 divided by 4 equals to 2. Now again we have to follow same step and we have to go for left to right. So now this time we have 2 multiplied by 2. So this one will be 4 and divided by 8 and multiplied by 2. We will write here as it is. And this time 2 multiplied by 2 equals to 4. Now again we have to follow same step, go right, left to right, and now this time we have 4 divided by 8. So we have to solve this one. So 4, if we will divide 4 divided by 8, so we get the answer is 0.5. Multiply by 2, we will write here as it is. And here we have to give the reference 4 divided by 8, A equals to 0.5. We have two terms which we have to multiply these two terms and get the answer is 0.5 multiplied by 2 equals to 1. So the answer of the given expression is 1. 0.5 multiplied by 2 equals to 1. So the given expression has the result is 1. So if you see the answer list, so answer A is the correct answer of this expression. So I hope you understand like how you can solve the given expression using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye-bye. Allah Hafiz.